It's about to go. It's about to go. Yeah, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Beautiful, amazing, spectacular morning, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys excited to have me here today? If you're excited to have me here today, smash that like. Okay, I need to just. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome back again. If you know you are joining for the first time, let me know. And at the same time, make sure you're smashing the like button. Get ready for today's episode of life analysis and DAOM mentorship session. Okay. Before I dive in straight into my chart, it's going to be an interesting week. Looking like that already by God's grace. Looking like that already. I'm so happy. Okay, if you have not smashed the like button, do that right now. Like it's free. Like nobody's going to charge 1%, 1 cent or $1 from your account. Just smash that like button. Okay. Good morning. Let me know where you're joining us from this morning. Let me quickly acknowledge people that are here. Kelvin, where you joining us from? Wana Victor. Good morning. Where you joining us from? Koda Biola from Ogun State. Glory Agboko from Delta. How you doing? I'm very, very fine. Obviously, I'm very, very fine. William Tetua from South Africa. Olabroja from Ibadan. Innocent. Good morning. Where you joining us from? Ali Wales from Lagos. Innocent from Abuja. Innocent say we should smash the like button, guys. It's absolutely free. Kevin Fiamods. Don't know how to call that. Fiamods. Yeah, first time here. You're welcome, Kelvin. Where you joining us from? We're happy to have you. So good, forever growing in profit from Jaws. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Innocent Obina, forever growing in profit. Glory, say welcome back, sir. We're forever growing in profit. Yes, we're forever growing in profit, ladies and gentlemen. That is our motto, that's our slogan, that's our mindset, and that is our result. Shemilore Musbao say good morning. Where join us from? Shemilore Ola say we're forever growing in profit. Kelvin say is from Ghana. Oh, Charlie, my brother, it is saying to Chuku Ude say from Enugu. I'm so happy that all of us are actually turning up. If you're not smash the like button, make sure you do smash the like button like right now while we dive into the chart. Okay, so I need to quickly experience. I need to quickly explain. Okay, Shimilori from Lagos, Ujok Cementa from Uganda. How you doing, Ujok? How's Uganda today? So before we dive in so much, I would love to. Okay, let's just dive into the chart. Let's dive into the chart while I attend to other DMs because of time. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Our channel is growing. Yeah, we give glory to God Almighty. We have actually achieved 1.5k subscribers on our Telegram channel. I didn't know this. It was through this person that I just know right now. I didn't know. So congratulations to all of us. Make sure you keep supporting the community. Let's grow the community to 100,000 to 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, ultimately to 100 million subscribers. Okay, by God's we're going to get there. So every millions of journey starts with a step. Now just let's dive into the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my chat, ladies and gentlemen. So today, for the benefit of people that are just joining me for the first time, Chairman Aridoh. I'm a forex trader, but a dynamic forex trader because I swing, I day trade, and I trade fundamentals. That's news. I do the trade, I swing trade, I day trade, and I trade fundamentals news. So that is it. But I like to do most of my trading to be swing. But when I have to switch to day trading, definitely I'll switch to day trading. And when news is coming, and recently I told you guys that I'm very, very busy, like trying to grow my knowledge in terms of fundamentals and all of those things. So I am still studying. I still buy courses, but the benefit, guys. At the end of the day, buying all these courses, studying so hard, making sure I'm upgrading my knowledge, growing, it's going to actually affect you guys, because what I mean is what I'm coming here to teach you. So all those courses that I've bought, my own is to come and start pouring it to you, and your own is to be loyal, be humble, follow instruction, and then we grow together. And forever we're growing in profit. So ladies and gentlemen, I said it on Friday that, hey guys, let's keep looking at NAS. NAS came back to give us another entry. This 1 hour time frame, and this is an obvious head and shoulder pattern, ladies and gentlemen. It's an obvious head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so right now I'm going to, before we leave this chart right now, like I might dive into 15 minutes time frame to do what? To see if this market will retrace back to this entry, because you can see that our entry here, and our stop loss is just where it's just below that head pattern. So if this market can retrace back here, I get a confirmation, we're going to get another entry with our tight stop loss here. Our stop loss is going to be just below this recent low, and then we're going to start riding it. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen, we are riding. The journey is far. This is over 1,500 pips, if I'm right. I don't even know. This is, yes, over 2,000 pips. No. I don't know. This is the some way. I don't know. Sometimes I calculate it right. Sometimes I don't just understand it, because it's a very, very volatile pair. And that's why I usually recommend Nash Market. Nash Market will help you to know what you are risking. So just follow the Nash Market recommendation. How much do you want to risk? Okay, put it in the Nash Market. Tell the Nash Market what your stop loss is. It's going to calculate the pips for you, and it's going to tell you the lot size you can use. Okay, so that is that on NAS. I will patiently wait, watching it, and see if I can get some candlestick reaction here. And aside from that, another thing I can use to base my decision is what? Is feel. can see, you can see the fib retracement is telling me that this our entry, this market is likely to come back to our entry and then probably come here to either of it. We're going to get a candlestick rejection, candlestick pattern, psychological candlestick will form around here, and guess what? I am going to actually close. I'm going to actually look for another entry opportunity. Guys, give me like 30 seconds, or give me like is it 30 seconds? I should wait for 30 seconds. Give me like 30 seconds. I'm coming. Okay, so welcome back, guys. Let me see, do you have any message that I need to attend to before we dive back into the chart? Okay, Oyinloye Olalekan from Nigeria. How you doing? Nigeria where? Shimlo the Muslim says, sir, can you hold a trade for 3 months or more? Why not? Why not? GPPJPY is over 3 months or almost 3 months. I used to hold it. I can even hold trade for 6 months, 1 year if possible. Waiting concern me. My own is just for you to continue to be growing in profit, okay? Ken say good morning, sir, from Lagos. Muslim, hello, sir. You welcome, Muslim, Juliet. Good morning. So now let's dive back into the chart. Good morning, Paros from Gombe, and Juliet from here, from Abuja. Jonathan Peter from Accra, and brother it is saying. So now, based on my explanation, ladies and gentlemen, you will discover that this trade will likely retrace back to this entry point. So if you are in this trade, you can actually exit, or you can hold your trade. The reason why I say you can exit right now is because if it comes back to the entry, you'll be able to take another trade. You have secured that early profit. You can take another trade with a tighter stop loss, and then you can roll it up. That's that on NAS. And NAS and US30, they are actually doing almost the same thing. Look at it, ladies and gentlemen. This is also head and shoulder pattern. A left shoulder, right head and right shoulder. You can see. And this one too is actually doing what? Let's do a Fibonacci retracement. Our Fibs is telling us that this one too is coming back to what? To the entry. Upon getting to the entry, we're going to now have another entry opportunity. If that happens when we are still having this live session, I'm going to call it out. If it didn't happen, I'm going to drop it in the premium signal channel for all of us that are there. So GBP/USD, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me look at it from the day trade perspective. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, is there a clear direction for GBP/USD? For me, there's no any clear direction yet, and there's no any chart pattern visible. So let me go to the GBP/USD. Now, guys, I have 2 GBP/USD on my watch list. I've said it before. I have one that I analyze with what? With the trading strategy. I have one that I analyze with swing strategy. Okay, so anyone I want to go to, I'll just go there. So I don't do the same analysis on one pair because it look rough. Sometimes you don't understand it, and sometimes it look so on it. So if you want to be day trading, you can have as many same pairs as possible on your watch list, just like me. I have GBP/USD here, I have another GBP/USD here. Okay, so you can have GBP/USD, in fact, 3 times on. You can have three GBP/USD on your watch list, and everything might have different strategy. Okay, but this is my swing GBP/USD strategy. Okay, so you can see that the market is consolidating. So nothing serious. So that's why we don't know what to do yet, unless the market has clearly shown us what we should do. But right now, it has not shown us anything we should do. So we just maintain. We are out of this trade. So let me just delete this. We are out. Where is NAS? Okay. We are also out of this trade. Look at it, ladies and gentlemen. We banked like over 1,000 pips before on NAS. I'm deleting it now. I'm deleting this one too now. Okay. So right now we want to start afresh. Okay. So now let's do a overview of all our charts. See the way this market is trending crazily now. But I don't move on, sha. So gold, nothing to say on gold right now. USD, nothing. Euro USD. On the 4 hours time frame, Euro USD, I'm still like, guys, I said something that this market is still likely to push down here before we start seeing move to the upside, and it might just move to the upside. But all these things, I don't like it. Okay, let me just delete this. Let me make my charts in it. Okay, the market has drawn the money here, so we don't need all this drawing again. Okay, so I'm not doing anything. I just want a clear. You know what, guys? It's not about, oh, it's a buy, it's a sell. Oh, let's buy, let's sell. No, it's all about having a clear direction. Let the market speak to you. Let the market show you that I am moving clearly in this direction. When it has shown us evidence through chart pattern, through technical analysis, through candlestick pattern, a lot of other confirmations that we have seen that this market is actually giving us reason why it wants to, like enough reason why that, oh, I'm going in this direction. That is when we should enter that buy or sell. It's not about, yes, buy now, sell now, buy now, sell now. Especially when you are swing trading, but when you are day trading too. Okay, so that is why for now I'm not seeing anything clearly. If I want to actually do a day trading with Euro USD, I might probably see an opportunity, because it's looking like just like a W pattern or something. But I don't want to day trade Euro USD for now. So the same thing as Bitcoin that we're expecting to drop up, just keep taking down. That is it. If it has not fulfilled what we asked it to fulfill, it's not ready to just go in my direction. What was I expecting it to do? This is it. Breakout, retest, continuation. Breakout, retest, continuation. All these are fake breakouts because they are not proper breakout. If they are proper breakout, it's going to actually do a proper retesting. So all these ones, I was just telling you that Bitcoin is not just ready. Now see the way it dropped massively to the downside. A lot of people will have lose money with this thing right now, because a lot of people believe Bitcoin is now going up, but look at all this shit is doing. So, but nevertheless, that is why we are here. That's why we are teaching you what is valuable. Just be patient for this market to do what it has to do. Once the market has done what it has to do, it will eventually tell you that, oh, I'm ready. I won't be surprised if this market go here, show us some kind of chart pattern and start moving to the upside. Whichever way. Okay, this one is NAS 100. We've talked about NAS 100 right now. I'm going to be monitoring it from 15-minute time frame. When we come back to the entry, upon spotting a confirmation, we buy. GBP JPY, ladies and gentlemen. For the person that is asking that, and I will trade for 3 months, look at it. We enter this trade on Friday, May. Is it Friday or Thursday? May 23. I exited this trade around here, which is August 16. That's May, June, July, August. Can you see that? That's about 3 or 4 months. Okay. So, and the reason why I exited that trade was I wasn't sure of what GBP is doing, and I've made a lot of profits from it. So I'll just be like, this is just a few pips to reach the TP. Let me just get out and see what the market wants to do. Okay. So AUD USD, and one bad boy pair, but it keeps going. At the end of the day, if you get to this destination, you're going to get another opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to remove GBP CA share from my watch list. Permit me. You guys permit me? You guys permit me to remove GBP CA share from my watch list? Similarly, say I should look at weekly time frame on GBP USD. It's going to be so bullish. Either way, I'll look at it so that we can all learn from it. But either way, whichever way the market wants to go, it will tell me and I will know. Okay. Let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. This GBP USD. I'm on a 4 hours time frame. What is showing here is not clear. So until probably it gets here, it's going to show us a clear chart pattern on this level, or a break below this level show us a clear chart pattern. Either of it, I'm going to know. Then another thing about going to weekly time frame, let me even go to daily time frame first. So let me support this with a trend line. You can see if you want to base addition on this current trend line, the market has break below, retest, and then you want to just start falling. Now, if you have to draw it like this again, can you see? The reason why this one is important is because before this move happens, this was the move that first happened. So first touch, second touch here, you can see the market has break below, come back to retest, and then it's doing as if you want to continue to the downside. Probably just this minor level disturbing it. And another thing is that we draw another one here right now. So at the end of the day, everything is still going to boil down to the fact that we are going to wait for what the market will do at this junction of this minor level here. We're going to wait for what the market is actually want to do. And another thing is that even if the market wants to start going up, you're going to see a clear chart pattern or candlestick pattern. Okay, now we've spotted something like head and shoulder pattern in the past. This 1 hour time frame, but this head and shoulder pattern didn't hold properly because it didn't form properly too. And look at it, the neckline failed to break. It was just consolidating. So right now the best way is just to what? Sit on your hands. And if you want to look at weekly time frame, this is tweezer top. When you spot a tweezer top, the market wants to just start coming down. So a lot of different biases on this GBP USD. So the best thing is just for you to wait. As time goes on, it's going to now clearly define its direction for you. Okay, it's not about this is what I think. Now if you say you want to choose that you want to start going bullish, what if I show you the reason why you start going bearish too? So the two biases are very validated on this pair right now. The two biases are very validated. He has a bullish bias, he has a bearish bias. So how do you now know the one that will overtake each the any of it? Is by being patient and wait for the market to show you the one that wants to take over. Either the bearish want to take over, the bulls are the one that want to take over the bears. Okay, so patience is key. Patience is key. Same thing as Euro USD. So patience is what? Patience is key. So I think I've been able to answer that your question. Now I'm on 15-minute time frames monitoring this pair right now. So have I been able to answer your question? Shemilore. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking GBP CHF. I've seen you guys have supported and take it out. I told you guys I don't like that the movement of that market. I don't like it. GBP CHF, see you next time. Bye. So now my watch list is now back to like 8 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my watch list is back to 8 pairs. Aside from GBP USD, that is true, but aside from that, all my watch lists are now 8. So US30 has added to it because I've waited a long time for this US30 to actually play out, and it's now respecting my analysis now. Look at since when I've said this market will break, retest, continuation. It's now just doing that now. Breakout, retest, continuation, ladies and gentlemen. So that's that about that. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Let's take question and answer session. Probably tomorrow we can do something like you can do like a top-down analysis. Pick any pair, and then we'll do our top-down analysis like we always do. If you have not smashed the like button, kindly do that right now. Question and answer session, ladies and gentlemen. Question and answer session while we wait for what we're waiting for in the market. One thing is that if this pair can be ready before we leave this live session, I'm going to call the trade out. But I've given you guys enough hints. This is the hint I gave you. This is it. I've given you guys enough hints. This is it. On US30, this market should push down to this level or to this level. Our stop loss is going to just be below this level, somewhere around here, and then we are going to take another entry upon confirmation. But I will want it to actually close above this level, or upon confirmation, I will enter, and then we can swing it to the upside. Hopefully, it will massively go in profit for us. Okay, so that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Question and answer session. Question and answer session. You can message me on Telegram, but provided that you are part of our mentees. Yes, you are part of our you are part of our people in the mentorship channel. Okay, so I give attention. The only time I will give you attention for my DM is probably how you can join our mentorship session, join our private channel. Of course, I'll give you attention on that. But aside from that, okay, so aside from that, I won't give you any attention. If you come to me and ask about PS and all of those things, I might not give you attention, because the people that own that attention are people in the mentorship channel. Okay, so only if you want to join us, I can give you my attention. I have a lot of people that are even in the mentorship channel that I've not even attended to their question. I'm still getting over it one after the other. So for you to now come to my DM and ask me a question that you are not part of the our mentorship session, I might not answer you. Unless if you ask me a question about how you can join us in the mentorship channel, and that is a lifetime offer if you want to join us in the mentorship channel. Absolutely free, but you must follow the condition. Okay. Okay, so you must follow the terms and conditions, like our requirements. Okay. Okay, Musa Kedeng say US 30 on Excel. Let me type it out. Okay. So any question, ladies and gentlemen? Any question, ladies and gentlemen? If there's no question, we can call it a day. If there is question, this is the time I will give you answers to your question regarding charts. Shemilori Musibao, my thoughts are very clear, okay? If you want to message me on Telegram, if you want to DM me on Telegram, like private message me on Telegram, I will answer you based on two conditions. If you are part of our mentorship program, like you are in our mentorship channel, you can ask me any question regarding your growth, trading, everything. I will answer you properly. But if you are not part, the only thing I will answer you is how to join us. I don't have time to answer people that are not in the mentorship channel anything related to chat, because people in the mentorship channel, I have a lot of them that have not even attended to their own question. I have a lot of them that I'm just clearing one after the other. So if those people have privileges, or these people have priority than you because they belong to my mentor, my mentorship, channel, and I have committed myself to them, and these people, I respect them, they follow my instruction, so that is why they always earn my attention. For people that have not joined the mentorship channel, the only attention you can get from me in my private DM is how you can join us, nothing more. Aside from that, nothing more. So that is all I can just say. That's all I can just say. So having said that, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow let's get ready. We can have a top-down analysis, and at the same time, you guys can go through what I taught you last week on how to actually day trade, teaching the information strategy. You guys should go through it. You can trade yourself. You can trade using chart pattern, using trend line, using Fibonacci retracement, and all of those things. Ella, what's up? Why join us from Forever Growing in Profit? So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. If there's no question and you are good with today's live session, you can put bye-byes in the chat box. I don't know why we didn't see Suraj Dauda today. Suraj Dauda, where are you? If you know you are good with today's session, let me start saying bye-byes in the chat box. So let me use this opportunity to actually repeat the requirement to join our live session. It's very, very simple. By September 1st, by God's grace, to join us in the live session, you have to have $100 to fund your XM account, and that your XM account must be registered through our link. That's one. Another way you can join us in the mentorship and lifetime signal channel is to use our link to open a recommended broker, which is recommended prop firm, which is Consummate. So if you use our recommended link to open a Consummate prop firm, you screenshot it to me. I confirm that you are part of my team. I will give you a go ahead. You should deposit. Then buy any account from 15,000 upward. But right now, if you still want to join us, if you have $50, you can still register with XM using our link. And if you have like $84 to $85, you can still register through Consummate using our link and buy a $10,000 account. But everything will change by September 1st. Okay, so God will help us. Another thing is that next week, Friday, it is NFP. I won't say more than that. So that's that about that. I won't say more than that. So if you guys agree, let me just start saying that bye bye in the chat box. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Yeah, rewatch, Peter, rewatch. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow by God's grace.